This is my favorite vanilla ice cream, 100% vegan. It's amazing, creamy and delicious just on its own. But even better with my 2 ingredients caramel sauce, which I'll show you in the end of this video. Don't miss it. Stay until the end. If you like my video, I'm very happy if you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell for not missing any of my new videos. If you want to support me even more, please like and share my video. It doesn't cost you anything, but it really means a lot to me and it helps a lot to grow my channel. Thanks a lot! If you have any questions about this recipe, let me know in the comments and I will try to answer. For more vegan and gluten-free delicious recipes, just click here on the right. I hope I could help you with your recipes and hope you've enjoyed watching it. See you in my next video. Bye bye!